You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from French and what it means, how you can say it in French. If you want to learn more useful vocabulary from French, stay tuned, I've got tons more. So this means in French straight, something that is straight, but also a right, as in you have rights, right? From the law, you have different rights. So this is one right. Droit is how you say it, okay? So it's going to be different if you add an E at the end, then it becomes the right, left, the right side, for example, that would be droite. But because there's no E at the end, the T is silent here, so it's just droit. Droit is how you say it. Droit, as something is droit, straight, or you have different rights, you have droit. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.